riding a gondola through the Gondala Rainforest. Yay! See? Rainforest. We're gondolaing over the barren river.
We go by too fast for us to like.
So pretty.
I can't see it.
Rainforest.
Oh my god.
Oh my god! I feel like we're gonna die in this thing.
We're not.
Here's the waterfall.
Cool though.
Mountains! Yay! We're walking through the rainforest on this thing. The boardwalk. How cool. Trees. This is our view from the gondola right now. That is the ocean, the Pacific Ocean, if you will. Right down there, that little lake, that is a wakeboarding lake. They have like a zip line that pulls you across on your board. It's kind of cool. This view is just awesome. I don't want to leave, but we have to tomorrow. So, wakeboarders are cruising around the lake and having a blast. We're up in the sky, so that's cool.